Hello Jazzy Green family, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Liz and you're watching Festive Fall Coffee Table Styling. This is a collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Designed with Emma, At Home with Lisa, Debbie Bubbles, May's Design Corner, Jean Home Decor and more, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jennifer at Home, Donna Decor and more, and Joyful Decor by Denise. Please stop by their channels and subscribe to them. Today I have two coffee tables I'm going to style, one in front of my sofa and the other on my bench. So continue watching. Well, Jazzy Greens, that's all I have to share with you today. I hope you like what I shared with you. Hope you enjoyed watching. If this is your first time watching, please consider subscribing to the channel. Just go ahead and click subscribe. Give the video a big thumbs up because it does help my channel. Set your bell to all so that you will be notified of all of my videos and you won't miss any of them. And to all my faithful Jazzy Green family, thank you guys so much for all your love and support. You guys take care, be blessed, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.